Hey, what's up, amazing parents? Are you feeling that squeeze? You've got the kids, you've got the house, maybe a full-time job, and you're dreaming of extra income, but every single side hustle seems to demand more time than you have. You want to make an impact and earn some serious cash, but without sacrificing that precious family time. What if I told you there's a way to build a highly profitable, flexible side gig from home, using free tools and generating anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 extra per month? And you can do it around nap time, you could do it after bedtime, or you can even do it during the school hours. This isn't about the drop shipping fad or complex coding or doing anything crazy. It's about leveraging a skill most businesses desperately need right in your own backyard. So today I'm going to show you my hyper local social media agency blueprint, a simple 3-step framework to launch your own profitable side gig starting today. Now, I've seen countless parents just like you struggling with this exact challenge. They have incredible skills, they have massive potential, but they feel trapped by the traditional 9-to-5 or endless demands of parenting. They can't seem to strip away and get away and work on something. They tried a million things. Maybe they've done surveys or complicated e-commerce, or they've done driving gigs, and they all end up feeling like it's another job, not necessarily a solution to the problem. I just had one of my buddies come to me, and he was telling me that he's gonna start a new business, and he's brilliant, he's organized, he's awesome, but felt guilty every time he thought about a side hustle because it meant less time with his kids. And he was tired of cutting corners and feeling stressed about unexpected expenses, and he knew that local businesses needed help. So he decided to start his own cleaning business. That was his big grand idea, to start his own cleaning business and go in afterwards and start cleaning. But I quickly pointed out to him that he's just trading the time. Like, where is he gonna go? He gets the kids to school, he works full time, and then he has sports and activities, and then he's gonna go clean at night. And it was just too complicated and just too expensive to start, because then he had to go get a van, he had to go get cleaning supplies, he had to do all these different things. And together we worked on this exact framework. And within weeks, he landed his first client. He worked with a local bakery, he worked with a local gym, and he worked with a local dentist. And he started just diving into his community. And it started with just 1 hour a day, leveraging a free tool. And within 3 months, he was making an extra $2,500 a month, working just 10 hours a week, all from around his kitchen table. He didn't even have an office set up. His confidence soared, and his family's financial stress vanished a bit because he had some type of financial freedom. He was making some ends meet by not exchanging time. He wasn't sacrificing the time from his family. And he still had the energy to pick up the kids, to take them to practice, to do those special things, to eat dinner with them, to tuck them in. And that's the power of this strategy that I'm going to teach you. The core value of the hyper-local social media agency blueprint. So how do you do it? It's not rocket science, but it's a system. And we're going to build your hyper-local social media agency using my 3-step Connect and Conquer blueprint. Now, in step number 1, you're going to identify your niche and master your tool. Okay, first, let's talk about where the money is. Okay, small businesses in your town, your local coffee shops, your florists, your chiropractor, your auto mechanics, your hair salons, your dog groomers, they all need consistent social media, but they don't have the time and they don't feel like they're experts. And that's your golden ticket, because with this easy, simple process, you are going to become their expert. They all want traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of business. And if they're not getting traffic, they're going to crumble. It's not going to last long. So what I want you to do is take some notes and you're going to niche down. And don't try to serve everyone. You're going to pick 1 to 3 types of local businesses you understand or enjoy. It could be local health and wellness or a family-run restaurant. Whatever it is, this makes your marketing easier to start. It's going to make it simple to get going because your services are going to be more focused. And you're just going to master one tool. And forget expensive software. We're not talking about coding or anything like that. We don't have time as parents to learn how to code, okay? We're going to use a tool called Buffer. It's free to start, it's incredibly easy to learn, and it allows you to schedule posts across social media platforms at the same time. So you're going to touch Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, all the different ones for your client. And so for your action item, you're going to go to bufferai.com and you're going to sign up for free. You're going to watch a quick 15-minute YouTube tutorial on how to build a buffer scheduling system, basically, that takes the social media and it distributes it all across those platforms. And seriously, it's all you need to get started. I'm going to put the link down below and a PDF that's going to walk you through it, just in case you can't find a video or you don't want to follow along. You could take the PDF and click the link and sign up. But in step number 2, you're going to craft your irresistible offer and find your first clients. Now, how do you get these businesses to say yes? It's tough, right? It's tough being out there trying to sell to somebody. First of all, you're going to run into a bunch of no's until you get some yeses, okay? You're going to create an irresistible offer that solves their immediate pain, not just a service. You have to find out what their pain is, and you got to ask the right questions. What's the biggest problem in your business right now? Is it traffic or is it social media? But guess what? They go hand in hand, guys. They're going to answer one or the other, and it's going to be the same answer, okay? You're going to have a done-for-you promise. Businesses are busy. They want done for you, and your offer isn't just social media management. It's I'll manage your Facebook and your Instagram for consistent engagement so you don't have to lift a finger. Now, first, you're going to jump into a starter package. It's going to be $250 a month to $500 a month. You're going to start super small, and that way you can get your first testimonial. That way you can start blasting your own social media. Okay? It's going to be a nice entry point for them. And if you equate it to them saving time, building traffic, and increasing their monthly revenue and their yearly revenue and decreasing the expenses, it's going to land. I promise you that, okay? And what you're gonna deliver is 3 to 5 scheduled posts per week to their Facebook and their Instagram using Buffer, okay? You find relevant images, you can use stock photo, you can use Banana on Gemini. You can use so many different things to start, and then you're going to write simple captions and you're going to add relevant hashtags in your area to drive them traffic, okay? So the hashtags are important because it drives people to them. Buffer is going to be important because it's going to allow you to disperse it everywhere. You're going to jump on Gemini to help you create images, and then you can set up your Google Drive. And that way, when they are taking pictures on the job, if they're a baker and they're in a bakery and they've just done a cake, they snap a photo, they drop it in your Google Drive, and boom, you have some real images, not just stock images. We want to look at real images too. So set up your Google Drive account and let them drop it in there. And it's so easy. And you just file it away. And that way, when you get 3, 4, 5 of these local businesses, you can keep them all organized and you can post them. Small businesses struggle with consistency, and your offer solves that. Every single week, 3 to 5 posts like clockwork. It's building their brand. You're using the hashtags to drive them traffic. It's a no-brainer to start. And a little bit more about finding clients. Let's talk about finding your first clients. This is what I like to call the coffee shop and Google Maps method. Method 1 is going to be like unlocking some hidden gems, like you're in Sonic or you're playing a video game. You're going to walk around into 5 to 10 local businesses that you frequently go to. They would recognize your face, and you ask to speak to the owner and say, "Hi, I love your product or service. I love the coffee. I love coming here. And I noticed that you have great potential to be on social media. And I help local businesses just like yours with consistency on Facebook and Instagram without any effort on your part." And then when they lean in, you let them know, "I have a special starter package for local businesses right now. Would you be open to a 15-minute chat where we can kind of discuss your presence?" Then you can hit them with a Zig Ziglar close and say, "Wouldn't your business be better off if you had more traffic? Would you be able to serve more people if you had more traffic, this great product or service? Well, when is the best time you think to start?" And they're going to say, "Man, I would start right now. If you can do it for me, I don't have time." "Well, great. I have a done for you option. Let's sit down for 15 minutes. I'll buy you a coffee." And method number 2 is your Google Maps audit. Now listen, you're going to search coffee shops near me, or dentist near me, or workout gym near me, or hair cutting near me, or a tattoo artist near me, and look at their social media. Okay? If it's inconsistent or non-existent at all, then that's your lead. It's as easy as that. You're gonna send a personalized email, because their email will be on their website, or you can give them a call or stop in and you can have the same conversation. The key is, your goal is just to get one client. The first client is the most difficult client to grab. And then deliver amazing, consistent results, and then make sure you get a testimonial. The testimonial is going to allow you to scale, because once somebody starts seeing a little success over here, you're like, "I want some of that success. I want some of that." And they come back to you. Which leads us right into step number 3, which is to scale your impact and income. Now listen, once you have one client, the real magic begins. This is where you leverage those free tools and your newfound confidence. You're going to do some batching and you're going to work on efficiency. Now with Buffer, you can schedule a client's entire week or month of posts in just 1 or 2 hours. You could do this during nap time, after the kids are asleep, Saturday mornings while they're watching cartoons. Okay, and then you're going to transition into the power of testimonials. As soon as you get your results, your first client, even just more consistent posting and a few new followers, ask for a testimonial. Sarah from the bakery saw a 15% increase in Facebook engagement after 2 months working with your agency. Ricardo, the personal trainer down the street, landed 3 more clients after he started working with you. That's huge. Those testimonials are huge. And make sure they drop your name in there. And then when you do that, you get those testimonials. Now you can raise your prices and expand your reach. And once you have 2 to 3 clients at that starter rate, you can raise your prices for new clients. I suggest going up to about $500 to $1,000 per month per client, and even offer more services, responding to comments potentially, or building simple ad campaigns. Imagine with just 3 to 5 clients at $500 a month, you're making $1,500 to $2,500 extra every single month, working less than 15 hours a week. You don't have to start your own cleaning business to take time away from your kids. You can use tools like Buffer, which are free, to start your own agency to help other businesses grow. That's B2B, baby. That's life-changing money for some families. That's a mortgage payment for a lot of families. It's getting caught up on a car note for some families, or a date night with your wife, or taking her on vacation finally for some families. So there you are, and now you have it. My hyper-local social media agency blueprint. As a reminder, first step is niche down and master Buffer. Pick your ideal local client first, and then learn how to use the free tool. You sign up, you create an account, you jump in there, you connect social media accounts for your clients, and bada boom, bada bang, you're off and ready to go. And step number 2 is craft your irresistible offer. Focus on done for you, consistency at the starter price, 3 to 5 posts per week on the platforms. Create a Google Drive so they can drop real images from their day-to-day in there, and then you upload those, you throw them into Gemini, give it a little twist, give it a little headline on that sucker, and then you drop it on their social media, and it looked like magic because now they're consistent, they're getting more traffic, they're building more business, they are taking care of their family while you're taking care of yours. And then in step number 3, you're gonna scale for impact and income. Get that first client, get you a testimonial, and watch your income grow. This isn't just about extra cash, it's about regaining control of your time, proving to yourself that you can build something incredible and providing a better future for your family, all on your terms, from home. Now, I know you're probably thinking, where do I find the content ideas for these businesses? Or how do I create a simple invoice? To help you kickstart this, I've put together a free hyperlocal agency starter kit. It includes, first, a 10 local business niche idea checklist, 5 proven social media post templates for local businesses, a simple client agreement template, and a step-by-step guide to setting up your first buffer account. It's really simple, and you're gonna have it. This kit will save you hours and give you everything you need to confidently land your first client. So click the link in the description below to download your free hyperlocal agency starter kit right now. And if you want more hands-on information, you want more of a community, you want more of a mastermind and start building with a community of people, we have a community for the Parent Profit Blueprint, where we take parents that are struggling, that take parents that want to all come together and thrive and grow together. And in that community, we talk about business, we talk about family, we talk about wins, we talk about losses, we talk about AI and automation and how to set those things up so you can just plug and play and boom, you're off and ready to go. But we only open it 4 times a year, and we're getting ready to open the doors back up. And you can jump on the wait list right now at myuniquemedia.com/waitlist. So stop waiting for the perfect time or the big break. The perfect time is right now. And the big break is you taking action right now. Start small, serve local businesses, and watch how quickly you can create a significant income and freedom for your family. Grab the starter kit, jump into the community, and start building your profitable side gig today. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.